Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Canva template, right? So it's very easy. For example, let's say that this is my template here, okay? And once I go here, let me show you, it's very easy to do it. So just for now, I will choose this. So this is my template, right? And I want to share it. On the top right side corner, you will see this option which is called share. You can just click over here. Now you can just copy link, but if you just copy link, nobody will able to access because it says only you can access. So make sure just click here and select only anyone with the link, right? So make sure you can just choose this, right? And you can just give the access. That person can only view, comment or edit, right, depending upon your preference. And you can just copy the link, and let me show you. I will just open a new completely template. For example, say I will just do here and I will just paste this. Now once I paste this link here, anybody can see, and you can see that the owner of this template is me. But if you want to add someone to your project, then again click on share. Now here, from here, you can just add people that you can just add this their email address. You can see that I've added some of the email address, and that person can easily able to access it. But what if you just want to share your template to a client? Then do one thing. We will just click on share. Now we will just click on copy, and here it says copied, right? Now we will just go to the home page, and we will just go to the doc. Once we go here doc, and here we will just open a document, right? And for example, I will just write here that, let's say we will just edit this. So let's just wait. Okay, and now here we will just write here, for example, thanks for purchasing, right? Thanks for buying, right? Sometimes it's leave a good impression of the client. Then we will just do the thing. We will just click on save, and here we will just paste our link, right? So here you can see that this is our link, right? For example, if you're not able to say this, I'll just erase this and I will paste a new link here, right? And here it will show the thumbnail of it, right? So if a person, you can just share this. For example, I will just click on share. We will do the same thing, and with the link, copy link, and if I share to anybody, we'll just open in a new tab, right? And your client will get in this way, thanks for buying this. And if your client click on this, right, that person will get this link. Now once that person click on the link, they will get the template, right? So it's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.